Here's some Mexican cuisine origins trivia. Subscribe. Which ancient civilization is known for its maize cultivation? Is it A. Minoan, B. Chavin, C. Phoenician, or D. Olmec? The correct answer is D. Olmec. What is a traditional Mexican sauce made with chocolate? Is it A. guacamole, B. mole, C. enchilada sauce, or D. salsa verde? The correct answer is B. mole. Which dish is often considered Mexico's national dish? Is it A. mole poblano, B. ceviche, C. tamales, or D. tacos? The correct answer is A. mole poblano. What dish consists of marinated pork cooked on a spit? Is it A. carnitas, B. tacos al pastor, C. alambre, or D. fajitas? The correct answer is B. tacos al pastor. What snack is made from fried tortilla pieces? Is it A. totopos, B. pita bread, C. crackers, or D. crisps? The correct answer is A. topos. What is a popular Mexican breakfast dish made with eggs? Is it A. burrito, B. tacos, C. huevos rancheros, or D. quesadilla? The correct answer is C. huevos rancheros. What is the name for a Mexican street food served on a stick? Is it A. tamales, B. esquites, C. elote, or D. tacos? The correct answer is B. esquites. Which Italian dish influenced the creation of Mexican pizza? Is it A. pizza, B. risotto, C. fettuccine, or D. lasagna? The correct answer is A. pizza. What is the flour-based pastry used in churros? Is it A. puff, B. brioche, C. filo, or D. choux? The correct answer is D. choux. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.